For the thousands watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
You fucked up, buddy.
That was close, Cobber. That was close.
Oh shit! Oh. What an asshole.
Bogans, 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 don't try to understand them, just round them up and brand them with a Southern Cross tattoo and sleeves both sides.
There's one for Scotty.
Way to get through the traffic. See ya.
Yes, no, fuck you, fuck no. Just because I can. Ooh, 188.
Oh, this one's always cheaper. It's the same as...
The car there
I'm pretty
was
sure-
meant to turn.
Yeah.
About a younger Filipino one. Just finished school. Just go through a red light, mate. Oh, this one goes that way anyway. What are you doing, you fucking idiot?
Oh. And the other car is just... Oh, yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck are you talking about?
Oopsie. motorcycle going down the emergency lane. Here's another one. Nice and legal. And another one.
Right, okay. So I'm taking gloves.
Don't worry about the stop sign.
Ideal for this, or are you better to have skin touching the...
What are you doing? For fuck's sake.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Well, I was driving down I-95 the other night. Somebody nearly cut me right off the road. I decided it wasn't gonna do any good to get mad, so I wrote a song about him instead. It goes like this. Were ye born an asshole, or did you work at it your whole life? Either way it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E, and don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're an asshole tonight. And I've got
contributing to some of the warmer conditions we're seeing, as well as perhaps over winter as well.
Speed camera ahead. The speed limit is 100 kilometers.
Temperatures we're seeing would be from El Nino or even the positive Indian Ocean cycle. But part of it would be from a long-term warming trend.
It's only a red light, mate. Don't worry about it, times 2. Oh, lovely. You turn over a double line. That's always wonderful, isn't it?
And how do you train to do that? I mean, you couldn't really when you're practicing. You couldn't afford to make a mistake.
Oh, you turn at traffic lights. Aren't we wonderful?
And you did it in under a minute, 57 seconds. For retirees, franking credits on dividends was obviously a big issue at the election, 2 elections ago.
How the
It
hell?
had quite an impact on their actual shareholders. But
Yeah, there you go. Mr. Gray.
Oh my gosh! Kangaroo! Kangaroo!
Fucking kangaroos, man. Hey, Skippy. Look at them all.